So look this sum, find n. So again we can call this as part 1. So put n equal to question mark. N, remember, means number of terms. Terms is question mark. First term is 8. So the first term is called by the word T1 or A is 8. Nth term is 62. Tn is also the last term, is actually 62. And sum of n terms, Sn is equal to 210. So in all these questions, and also you have to find D equal to question mark. So part 1 is nothing but analyzing the problem. Find n means n equal to question mark. Find means question mark. First term is 8 means A or T1 is 8. And the nth term is 62 means Tn is also called by the last term is 62. And sum of n terms is 210. Find also the common difference. So first we will take this. Tn is given. From this we will proceed. Tn, you write the formula. Reverse ulta. Part 2. So Tn is called nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. So A you can put as what? 8 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn is how much actually? 62. So n minus 1 into D is equal to 62 minus 8, which is equal to 54. So this you call it as equation number 1. I write this equation number 1 here. N minus 1 into D is equal to 54. Call this equation number 1. So part 2 is getting an equation involving two unknowns, N and D. Next we will go to part 3. Part 3 is Sn is given, that we have to use it now. Some values are given means you have to use it. Sn we have to use it, but write the formula ulta, reverse model. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D equal to, we know it's nothing but Sn. N we don't know, the question itself find n, starting question. All this called finding n. So look here, n by 2 into 2 into A is nothing but 8. So put 8 here, plus this n minus 1 into D. This n minus 1 into D, the full thing is nothing but 54. N minus 1 D is nothing but 54 is equal to Sn is nothing but 210. Okay, so n into, look here, 8 2s are 16 plus 54 is equal to 210. This 2 is dividing, it will go and multiply. So you get 0, 2 1s are 2, 420 you are getting it. Now n into 16 plus 54 is nothing but 70. Okay, 24 plus 6, 5 plus 4, 6, 10, correct, is equal to 420. So n is equal to 420 by 70. Carry on, cancel the zeros, 7 goes in this 6 times. So n is nothing but 6 terms. So the first term we got here, I write here also, n is equal to 6 terms. Call it equation number 2. Then what more you want? We have to find the common difference. So now to find the common difference, we can use Tn or Sn, but Tn is easy, Sn is little bigger. So write Tn is equal to A part 4, this I think, after this part 4. So n is equal to part 4. So now look here, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. Tn is also called last term. A is nothing but 8. 8 plus n, just now we got a 6. 6 minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. The last term is nothing but 62. Take the 8 that side. 6 minus 1 is 5D equal to 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 is nothing but 1254. Okay, D is nothing but 54 by 5. Sometimes we get fractions, so it's nothing but, you can write 54 by 5, or you can write as, when you divide this, you get 1 time 0, 10.8. Anyone you can write it. So this is the sum dealing with N and D. Hope you understood this. Thank you. So again find N. So put N is equal to question mark first term. Both you have to find. A equal to question mark Tn. Tn means nth term. Tn is also called by last term is 4, and D is equal to 2. Sn is equal to minus 14. So first we will take Tn. Tn is nothing but part 1, or you put this as part 2. What is given, you call it as part 1 from the sum. So part 2 is actually, we know A plus n minus 1 into D is nothing but Tn. A we don't know, plus n also we don't know, minus 1 into D is supposed to be 2, and Tn is supposed to be 4. A plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. So you can write A plus 2n equal to 6. We keep as it is an equation, then we'll check it what we'll do with Sn. So put A plus 2n equal to 6, call it equation number 1. Next we write Sn formula. We know Sn formula is part 1, part 2, part 3. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Sn. N we don't know, n by 2, a we don't know, plus n we don't know, but d we know is 2, equal to Sn is nothing but minus 14. So you get n by 2. Both these 2's are common, you can take out. So inside you get a plus n minus 1. That's all. This 2 and this 2 are taken common, is equal to minus 14. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So okay, so you get n into a plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. Now a is nothing but 6 minus 2n. You take this equation and put in a. Make everything in terms of n. So n into a, you put 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 equal to minus 14. N into 6 minus 1 is called 5. Minus 2n plus 1 is minus n is minus 14. When you expand, you get minus n square. First you do this, then you get plus 5n equal to minus 14. So when you all bring one side, you get, actually take all that side, you get, because n square should be positive, take that side, you get n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. So this is actually part 3, n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You will split the middle term and solve it. So we will write this quadratic equation. You call it as part 4. You can call it as part 4. So you write n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. So when you split it, put minus 14 and minus 5. 7 2's, minus 7 plus 2. So you get n minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. You get n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 equal to 0. You get n minus 7 into n plus 2 equal to 0. When you split, you get n minus 7 equal to 0, n equal to 7, n plus 2 equal to 0, n is equal to minus 2, n cannot be negative. So you get n is equal to 7. So you can put n equal to 7. If you want to find a, you can put here a equal to 6 minus 2n, which is 6 minus 2 into 7, 6 minus 14, which is equal to minus 8. So you get a is equal to minus 8. You can write here also. Hope you understood this problem. So try to do in parts. You can understand well. So this is n square minus 5n minus 14. You can split thing and get the values of n and get the values of a.